I can now show you the output. Okay, so this is the dashboard which we came up with, and here we can change URL. Now currently it's texaswestcleaner.com. It's just a random website I just came up from the internet, and I just added it so that it can just respond accordingly. And it's now like, I mean, whenever I am putting hi, it's saying like, hey, I'm Rahul, what brings you here today? We can also add like a human type of a delay, but yeah, and typing and all whatever things, but yeah, it's good right now. And now I can ask like, what are the services you are providing? Okay, so it's asking like, it's saying like residential cleaning services and all whatever. Okay, now if I quickly go ahead and let's say I change it from, let's say this was another website, but it's of dental website. Okay, I can just change it whatever the scraping and knowledge base we want to connect it, we can just do it. And it takes a small amount, okay, a time, not much, to showcase and all the updates. So if I have to, I mean, just showcase you the updated one, I can just show you here like, hi, it should work. What are the services you are providing right now? Okay, and it started with the dental thing and all. Okay, I want dental services. Okay, I want dental services. So guys, today I'm going with a different approach. So I want to create chatbot, and here I am with a blank canvas. Okay, I am not coming up with any kind of idea and all that, how I am going to do it and all. So here we have Claude Code. So I am just going to go through with it and figure it out that what could be the best way to create a chatbot when I am here to ask Claude Code. Okay, so I'll be going to think through it so that you can get, I mean, the idea is that you can get through the process instead of giving you the fish. If we are asking for the fish, so instead of giving you the fish, I am I mean giving you or the idea that how to get the fish, how to I mean whatever, I mean you have got the point. Okay, so let's do one thing. So here the idea is that I want to create a chatbot, and this is going to be for my demo YouTube, I mean video, but it should be with a real capability, so there is no doubt and all. So you need to research it out and help me out that what we can do best with it. Okay, go ahead and I mean research and tell me that what could be the best way to create it out. Okay, instead of that, what I am going to do is I am going to install BMAD. Okay, because it actually, I mean, opens up its capability. So to install it, this is simple: npx bmad method install. Okay, so it is going to ask me a bunch of questions. Yeah, yes, yes. BMAD code, BMAD agile, BMAD builder, no. Creative, yeah. Maybe test architecture, yeah. No. Cloud code, yes, 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 yeah. Now it's going to ask me for express, yeah, express setup. Yeah, now it's done, I think. Yeah, it's done. So just a bit, yeah, done. So now we can, I mean, I just have to start it again. Okay, now what I can do is bmad. If I go ahead with this, uh, I can ask bmad master, or we can go to analyst as well. It is also great in that. Okay, so yeah, ch. Now yeah, I'm going to, because now it has a persona, I would say. Okay, so with this persona it is so much better rather than as a normal one. Okay, so I have given the same idea to it, and you can research it out the best possible third party tools as well. You can research it out, I mean, direct implementation or direct creation as well, like I mean using some baseline APIs of some tools and all. We can just create it. We can use it as a anytime as well, I mean backend. We can use anytime, and you only going to help me with anytime development and deployment. But I mean we can just deploy it on any website and all. I mean we will be going to just create it and deploy it, and then the source code we can just put it into any website, and it should work and all. So yeah, that's the core idea. I think we have got it. So now let's go ahead with it. Okay, so yeah, you need to research properly and ask me if any question you have, but yeah, go ahead. So yeah, these are the things. Let me put it into plan mode. uh, yeah, yeah. So now it's going to do the research, and when it will be going to come up, then let's continue. So now you will ask me that why I am doing this. I mean, the thing is that you don't have to go and stuck into the tutorial hell. You have your genie, ask it, research it out, okay, and try it out. At first it might suck, okay, but you will get to know that, okay, if the first approach did not work, then the second approach we will be going to try, and if that also did not work, then we can try the next one. So that's the thing. So it actually gave me different type of options or approaches. So the first is that it's like custom build, no Next.js, Claude API, embed widgets, okay, third party platforms, chat base, and we can use it. The third party platforms like chat base and voice flow and anything LLM and all, okay. Or we can use some kind of hybrid approach where we open source a template like Versal AI chatbot plus custom widget, okay. So it also gave me the different type of trade-offs, like efforts are going to be here medium, it's going to be impressive so much, and it's going to be the full control, it's limited, it's good. Full architecture is that API can never be exposed in the browser, so the backend proxy is mandatory. The industry standard embedded pattern is a small JS snippet, and then overall whatever, okay. So yeah, let's do it full, okay. Backend framework we are going to use, it's great if Python is preferred, but separate front-end hosting, okay. TypeScript, real-time streaming response, embedded. Yeah. uh, for features, full features should be there, and on the other side it should be AI capable, okay. So the overall chatbot idea is not to create a uh, I mean anything any type of random chatbot. It's like AI capable, uh, highly responsive, with the knowledge base which is using, maybe you would say, vectorization, so that we are having the best possible context with the minimum uh, trade-off and all. So yeah, this is the thing, and we are going to maybe use RAG, okay. So here we are going to use the vectorization. So yeah, that is the thing. And also, tell me about the different type of front end. It's not only about website, it's also about like WhatsApp, Instagram, and all capabilities as well, if it can be integrated. So yeah, go and research it out in these terms as well, okay. So yeah, let's see what comes up. I am giving it, so much complex things to do it on itself in one go. So let's see what's going to be the output. And SMS as well. So yeah, it came up with this idea quickly, okay. So we are going to see that multi-channel AI chatbot implementation plan, okay. So it's going to be for a website visit, then second is the WhatsApp, third is the Instagram, and then the SMS. Instagram is going to be connected with Metagraph, and then SMS and Twilio, WhatsApp is going to be connected with Twilio WH, WhatsApp, and this webhook, Twilio webhook, and then this website widget is going to be connected through iframe, okay. So unified message router and retrieval, RAG retrieval and session management. We need Upstash Redis and Upstash vector. So if I have to show you as well, so this is the Upstash, okay. So then these are all the tech stacks it actually given me and all. It seems good, I've seen it, but yeah, on the other side, instead of using AI model as Claude, we are going to go towards, yeah, it seems good. First of all, you need to analyze the complexity and any specific type of issue which is going to come in between, because this is consider it as kind of important, uh, important for working real time. So that is the thing. And on the other side, instead of Claude, we are going to use Grok, okay, because it's free. So yeah, that is the thing. So yeah, this is what I have just given it, and let's see that what happens. It's always kind of good to have this kind of checkup, that if it's if there is any risk analysis or complexity issue and all in between, we need to know with it. Okay, so because we are not using any third party and all, so we don't know what are the complexities it might come across in between. Like if you try to create a voice agent system, and if you just use LiveKit, it's not going to work, because you need to understand that how the complete process works. It's like it first detects your voice activity. Whenever you speak, it is going to detect it, and it should stop at that moment. Okay, this is a different type of service. Then your speech is then translated into text. Okay, so that is a different thing. And then afterwards that text is analyzed using LLM. That is different. And then text is converted into speech. That is different. So all these things, all these processes or all these steps are being done by different components or different services. So we need to use in between those, or we need to create specifically APIs or whatever specifically for those, if we can create. So, and that is implied on everything. Okay, whatever we build, we need to see the intricacies which comes up in between. Like we are at the front end, we are relying upon WhatsApp and Instagram and all these front ends will be going to affect our integration and all. For website, yeah, we can do it, but yeah, I'm just talking about like the things which usually people don't like to talk about. This video is also going to go a bit longer, so I'm not sure that who is going to watch and all, but yeah, I'm just putting it out whatever I'm doing. So yeah, that's the thing. But these are so much important when you go into the production side, and people don't see that kind of thing, because in the video, in the YouTube video, they have just seen only the good part. They have not seen the bad part or the backend part. So that is the only reason I'm showing this thing and all. These things are so much important when you start to build from scratch. Or instead, you can just pick up a very easier route, which is just use third-party tools. It's going to increase cost, because now those third parties are also going to integrate their own costing as well in between. But yeah, it's up to you. So yeah, now it's asking for it, and it actually came up with this thing that yeah, we can. It's a big development, you can see. Okay, but let's see. We are going to give it the complete access and all. So now it's going to work upon it and come up with the solution. It's in front of you. I am going to provide bypass permission, and also I'll be going to create no expiration. No, it's going to be like so. For Grok API, you just have to search here Grok API free, and it's going to give here as an option to pick it. Okay, so yeah, we have generated it. I'm going to put it into .env. Now let's see what else we can do. Give it, and also with it, in a separate file, generate a website where you can just show this chatbot as in working, where you will be going to add it as embedded, and we need to see it as well. So yeah, here I am just showing you the overall rough idea that how it actually goes with, and any issue you are going to face here, you can just pick it up and it is going to fix it up. I've also added .env file and Grok API in it. Now let me, give it some time to actually build it up, and then we are going to continue. Quickly, let me give it one more thing as well. This is the Upstash, and it is asking for it. Okay. Now I have given that as well, and it's just going ahead. Let's continue when it's done. So yeah, it finally came up. So let's just test it out, and it actually took a while to build it up. Now let's see what happens. Okay, test it first. We need to see it. You can run the dev server and all overall. I want to test it up. So any chatbot for any website, it actually made this website very quickly. Embed these two lines. This is the chatbot. What is this happening? And let's also check other endpoints as well. Okay, so it's actually opening up here. It's not giving me the okay. You need to stop if any server is running. Just we need to test it up. This should run properly. So something is giving any issue. Yeah, now we can see, I think. Yeah. Hi. So these kind of things will come up in between, so we need to fix it up. You can see it already picked up, and it will be going to solve it. Now let's see. Actually some construction going on in the background, so yeah, we need to ignore it. Now I think it's fixed. It's already saying, so yeah, let's test it out. Let's refresh it. Hi, it's still giving me this issue. Same issue. Now test it up. It's doing something crazy. Let me give it this. It's actually giving me the data, but yeah, it's in parts, so it needs to fix it up. The video is getting long, I know it, but yeah, I wanted to figure this out instead of just showcasing. The direct way is always there. Go to services which are already providing these kind of things and just test it up. See, it actually started. Okay, so it's just giving me. Now we need some kind of dashboard where we can manage our knowledge base and all properly, and we can put some details of our business and all in a way so that it can pick it up and our chatbot should respond accordingly. So yeah, it came up with this plan. I'm auto accepting it, and let's build it up now. Okay. So now it actually built up this admin API key. It already saved it like this. Okay. Okay, we are going to put it like HTTPS. It's asking me for select BGM3. Can you do it with the API I have already given you? let's do it. Yeah, it can do it. I don't have to manually go and create it up and or whatever. This one I think it was trying to say, and vector as well, it was trying to say, yeah, whatever. Both needs both your Upstash email and API key to authenticate. I cannot create index just with API key alone. Okay, we need to name this like this one, vector index, name it. Yeah, okay, it will work. Select this one, region closest to you, create. Yeah, yeah, so I've added this as well. Knowledge base connected with it or not. I am adding it, but I think it's not working. And if we go to direct to this website just to check up this one, I just wanted to test it out. It should have a personality of a salesman type of person, because on the website or wherever it should close, and yeah, it should answer query, and it should try to suggest them some kind of services and all. Yeah, so it finally fixed it up. Now test it up first. This was the response. It should naturally progress, not give should not give a paragraph. It should work as a chatbot, like a real person usually responds on chatbot. So sorry guys, while the editing part, I actually realized that my screen was stuck, so that is why I could not be able to show you the remaining process. But it was not anything complex. I just went ahead with whatever the issues I faced with the functionalities, whatever it was not working and all, and finally I can now show you the output. Okay, so this is the dashboard which we came up with, and here we can change URL. Now currently it's texaswestcleaner.com. It's just a random website I just came up from the internet, and I just added it so that it can just respond accordingly. And it's now like, I mean, whenever I'm putting hi, it's saying like, hey, I'm Rahul, what brings you here today. We can also add like a human type of a delay, but yeah, and typing and all whatever things, but yeah, it's good right now. And now I can ask like, what are the services you are providing. Okay, so it's asking like, it's saying like residential cleaning services and all whatever. Okay, now if I quickly go ahead and let's say I change it from, let's say this was another website, but it's of dental website. Okay, I can just change it whatever the scraping and knowledge base we want to connect it, we can just do it. And it takes a small amount, okay, a time, not much, to showcase and all the updates. So if I have to, I mean, just showcase you the updated one, I can just show you here like, hi, it should work. What are the services you are providing right now? Okay, and it started with the dental thing and all. Okay, I want dental services. Okay, I want dental services. You know what, I mean, this is what the thing is. And yeah, obviously we can just host it up, and we can provide it to any client and all. We can convert it into SaaSification. This is just a code, and it's your control. The cost is so low because you are controlling it, and you have now infinite capabilities. I mean, you can do anything whatever with it. And you can provide it to, let's say, 10 clients, create it into something which can be login and all whatever using AI only, and host it on like platforms. You need to research it out, but I mean, you can host it for the first sake of it. You can just host it on Versal and all, but afterwards you can do it on I mean, there are other services as well. So yeah, that's what I mean, you can do. And it's so crazy, like, I mean, you can create anything right now as a SaaS type of tool, or any kind of specific services you want to create, or anything. Okay, for that sake, anything. And on the other side, we just have to talk to it, any issues and all. Although this is not the optimized way which I have just used in this, but I mean, I will be going to create videos more, so that, I mean, I will be going to show you that what are the more best ways to create these kind of services and all. So, and also right now it's not connected with WhatsApp and Instagram and all. Those services can be implemented, but just for this video I don't want it to make it super long. If you really require, I can just create a video for another for it as well. But on the other side, this is crazy, I think, guys. You can add a text as well directly. You can upload any file specifically. You can add or change any settings. It can change your color. Okay, let's say we make it this. Okay, and we just have to save it, and it's going to reflect there. I think it's giving some kind of issues. Now it's saved. Let's see. Just speak it up, it will fix it up. So these kind of things you need to just fix it up and see. And there are ways with which we can just pick these kind of issues in the starting only. And I mean, I can just directly say to it, and it can upload to GitHub as well, because I have connected my GitHub, and you can do it too. That's what I just wanted to tell you. So guys, now you know how to create anything. And I mean, if you don't even know, you will figure it out. The technology is there. If you want to learn how you can sell these AI services to client and all, you can just check it out, my 10x with AI community. If you want me to help you out to get some clients and all. And I am creating this paid community because I want serious people to get in. So if you are serious, and if you want my consultancy, the first 10 people are going to get my direct consultancy as well. So it's a very time limited offer. Grab it up. And yeah, let's see you in the community, if you really, I mean, are passionate about it. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you so much.